Locked out of your Peachtree accounting software? Don't panic. This video is your express lane to recovering your Peachtree company password so you can quickly get back to managing your business finances. First, close Peachtree if it's currently open. This ensures the password reset process runs smoothly. Locate and click the Forgot Your Password link on the Peachtree login screen. It's usually found below the password field. A security question you set up during the initial installation will appear. Carefully answer this question. Remember, the answer is case sensitive, so enter it exactly as you initially created it. If your answer is correct, a window will prompt you to create a new password. Choose a strong, memorable password. Pay close attention to any password requirements displayed, such as minimum length or the need for special characters or numbers. After you have entered and confirmed your new password, click Reset Password to save your changes. Now try logging in with your newly created password. If everything was entered correctly, you should have immediate access to your company data. If you're still locked out, double-check your answer to the security question. If you've forgotten the answer or are still encountering issues, you may need to contact Sage Peachtree support directly for assistance. They can guide you through alternative recovery methods. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your Peachtree company password. Like this video if it helped you regain access, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to streamline your accounting tasks.